So, dear participants, here is our presentation entitled Tweets about Ukraine during the Russian-Ukrainian War, Quantitative Characteristics and Sentiment Analysis. The authors are Roksolana Nazarchuk and Solomiia Albota at the Applied Linguistics Department of the Polytechnic National University. So in modern linguistics, namely in the field of natural language processing, sentiment analysis belongs to the up-to-date areas of research. The rapid evolution of information and communication technologies has led to the active use of social networks, various forums, and other platforms that significantly impact the shaping of public opinions, assessments, and moods. If properly collected and analyzed, network data makes it possible to understand and explain many complex social phenomena and even predict them. Our research proposes the analysis of the tone and quantitative characteristics of posts about Ukraine on Twitter during the Russian-Ukrainian War. With the help of LIWC22 software, this linguistic inquiry and word count, 111 tweets published by the leaders of the USA, Great Britain, Germany, France, and Poland shortly before and during the war have been analyzed. At the first stage, a sentiment analysis of tweets about Ukraine published by the leaders of USA, Great Britain, Germany, France, and Poland was performed, which revealed the dominance of positive and negative tones. We believe that the analysis of frequency characteristics of data is relevant and productive for the description of text. Therefore, at the second stage, the quantitative parameters of the tweets using the LIWC22 program were traced. The third stage was forecasting the difference in tones of the next three tweets of official representatives of the United States, Great Britain, Germany, France, and Poland based on the data obtained using the LIWC22 analyzer in the first stage. The part of the diagram marked in blue shows the difference in tones of the already published tweets. The yellow indicates the difference in tones of tweets that will be published in the future. The difference between positive and negative tones of the next three tweets of the British Prime Minister will be 1.28, 1.58, 1.88, the Polish President 3.46, 4.77, 6.21. The German Chancellor 1.93, 2.54, 3.19, and the US President 1.18, 1.85, 2.58. The French President 0.56, 0.08, 0.49. So considering the specifics of the representation of the text tones by LIWC, a 22 program, the most effective and accurate way is to forecast the relative difference in the tones of tweets. As a result, it was revealed how large the difference would be between the positive tone and the negative one. The forecasting is made for each country separately while observing the existing post strict chronological order. For practical implementation, the PANDAS library was used to read Excel files and calculate tone differences, and the NumPy library was used to convert values and forecast differences. Given the relatively small volume of data, we consider it incorrect to use complex machine learning models because these models, having too many parameters relative to the number of observations, may be prone to overfitting. So we settled on the extrapolation method for forecasting. A high degree polynomial will also cause overfitting and incorrect results. So we used the cross-validation method and found that a quadratic polynomial would provide the most accurate results. At the end, using the Matplotlib library, the results were graphically visualized and the diagrams were combined. So the frequency analysis of tweets was presented, and here's the total number of users of the mentioned unit in statistic data. Here's the references we used. And thank you for your attention.